By the end of this video, you're going to be surprised by the answer. Do you think it's running, weightlifting, swimming, jumping rope? Oh, I know, HIIT, right? The afterburn. It's something we all often overlook because it's so simple, yet not easy. Welcome to the next episode of Flat Stomach, Scam versus the Real Way to Lose Belly Fat series. If you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Hi VivaFam, this is Richa from CoachViva.com. Let's go.
Let's talk about max calories burnt. Researchers have actually put numbers to how many calories are burnt by humans doing different activities. What defines an average human in these research studies? A person who has a sedentary desk job but exercises about 1 to 3 times a week. Now here's what they found. A whopping 75% of your calories burnt comes from just you being alive. That's right, 3/4 of your calories burnt comes from just your heart pumping, your lungs breathing, and maintaining that body composition. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. The next 15% comes from daily activities that you do. These are activities that you might not even be conscious of. For instance, twitching or your legs bouncing when you're sitting down. So does movements like walking from your car to your work, or walking up the stairs, or shuffling about when you're doing chores or cleaning. And then the next 10% is the calories that it takes to digest and process the food that you eat. Some foods, like those high in protein, take more calories to digest than other foods, like those high in carbs. This is why if you eat more protein, you end up feeling fuller for longer than when you eat foods that are higher in carbs. And the last 5% of your calories expended is due to formal exercise. So those are things like running, lifting, your spin classes, swimming, etc. This is all of the time that we try to carve out of the way to work out.
Clearly, you want to double down on the activities that your body is already inclined to burn calories for. This means 75% of your calorie burn comes from maintaining your current body. So number 1, add muscle mass. Why? A Wharton study found that 10 pounds of muscle burns 50 calories in a day at rest, while 10 pounds of fat burns 20 calories. That's 250% more calories burnt when you have the same amount of muscle at rest. Pack on those muscle gains by lifting weights. And by this, I don't mean go to the gym and just randomly lift weights. You need a plan. We'll be covering how to make a plan for yourself in the upcoming episodes of this Flat Stomach Scam and the Real Way to Lose Belly Fat series. Next highest calorie burn is from your daily activities. So number 2, get twitchy. Kidding. Sort of. Add more movement in your daily life. Get the holy grail of 10,000 steps every day. Aim to climb 5 to 10 flights of stairs every day. Drink lots of water so you have to run to the bathroom every hour. The possibilities are endless. And lastly, to cover that 5%, you can add some cardio. How much cardio? We'll be covering that in the upcoming episodes of this Flat Stomach Scam and the Real Way to Lose Belly Fat series. Hey there, if you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Until then, keep crushing it.